Hello, hello, hello! Alexander Lexter Jules. Nagbabalik para sa inyong update. Yes, mga kaibigan, Maymay and Trata just posted this video sa kanyang Instagram at ipinin niya po ito sa kanyang Instagram, mga kaibigan, showing us her latest upload. Ito po yung hand-picked bucket ni Maymay and Trata na kung saan sasabihin niya sa atin kung sino-sino ang mga performers na gusto niyang makatrabaho, mapa-Pilipinas man or mapa-abroad man, mga kaibigan. And yes, this is hand-picked bucket na sasagutin ni Maymay para sa ating lahat. Let's go, Inday!
Everyone, this is Maymay and welcome to Billboard Philippines Handpicked, straight from the bucket. Name an artist that you want to collaborate with, local and global. Miss Yang Constantino. Matagal ko na po siyang gusto talaga maka-duet po. Tapos, of course, Miley Cyrus. Tapos pwede pa po isa. Paramore. Yeah, pwede pa isa. Avril Lavigne. Yes, let's go. Most memorable moment as an artist. Nag-guest po ako sa concert ng BINI. My Baby Girls! Ayun talaga yung siguro so far, pinakamalaki kong audience na nandun ako, nag-perform. Thank you so much for inviting me, My Baby Girls. Last thing that made you cry. Every time talaga I pray, it makes me emotional, especially po kapag may blessing na bago na na-achieve ko. Just like na finally, we release po my song, Paradise. At hindi siya madali yung proseso na yun kasi it took us almost 2 years po na trabahuin yung kanta na yun at yung upcoming EP ko. That was Billboard Philippines Handpicked straight from the bucket. Click the follow button below for more.